Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to make an unboxing video. Inside this parcel is supposed to be a hot stapler or plastic welder, if you will. But first, let me just show you my cat. She just had kittens, 4 all in all. Let's get to it. Oh, came with the plug adapter. Let's take a look at what's inside. Made in China, just like everything else. Okay. Here we've got instruction manual, technical parameters, input voltage 110 220 volts, input current 0.5 amps, power 30 watts, output voltage, output current, weight 2.5 kilograms, security markers, operation guide, operation repair, etc. Okay, selection of welding nails for plastic welding and all that. Okay, so let's take a look at the item. Oh, first let me show you the case. Actually, the case is actually decent. It's nice, bit flimsy, but it's nice. Now there are other products without the case, but I opted to buy one with a case because this is an item that you don't use often, especially if you're just a DIYer like me. So I opted to buy one with a case. It's actually quite heavy, 2.5 kilograms. Let's weigh this. Okay, so let's weigh this. Just use this wire. Let's see. And the actual weight is just about 0.5 kilograms, 0.6 kilograms. Well, not 2.5 kilograms. Hello. Let me show you a much more closer look. Okay. And this is the switch. Let's measure the cord length. Cord length from here to here is about 4 feet or exactly 50 inches. Let me show you everything else. Here we've got a hot knife, I do believe. Okay. Okay, so we have this type of stapler. This one. This. And this. Okay. So let me plug this in and let's test this. Okay. Let's try first. Actually, it's already lighting up. Let's press this and see what happens. And if you press this, it turns off. Okay. How about if we insert a stapler? Okay. Let's press, and it's heating up. And if you can see that, it's turning red. See? How about let's try to press that onto this plastic pipe. And as you can see, I'm gonna let go now of the switch, give it time to cool down, and let's see, pull this out, and that's there. By the way, I would just like to point out, okay, this set did not come with a wire cutter, but I already have one, so no big deal. Let's cut this. Okay, and let's try one more. Let's try this one. Okay, okay. Gonna let go of the switch, give it time to cool down. Still hot actually, and as you can see, I pulled too soon. Gonna turn it on again, give it time to cool down. Let me try to pull that out, and that's that. Let's cut the stapler. Okay. By the way, I would just like to point out, okay, the wire is really on there good. See? Trying to pull that out, and that's actually on there good. So let me just insert another wire. Okay, let's do that again. Give it time to cool. Okay, that's enough. Pull it out and let's cut the protruding wire. Okay, and let's try the hot knife. See, well, that's actually nice. Now with this, to believe, you would not really be able to pull the wire out anymore. See that? It is melting the plastic. Let's try to start that here, okay? See? Like the expression goes, like hot knife through butter, in this case through plastic. So let's perform an ampere draw test, okay? And let's see how much ampere this thing draws, and that's only 0.3 amps, and that's not considerable. Very nice. So all in all, I do believe I'm very happy and satisfied with this product. You can use this to repair broken plastic chairs, broken plastic table, broken plastic anything really. As you can see, I've already repaired my side mirror, okay? I will upload a separate video as to how I repaired this one, okay? So you'll get to see this being used in actual application. I'll post a link of that in the description below. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show. This is the hot stapler or plastic welder, whatever you want to call it, okay? I got this from Shopee for 1,220 pesos. Now, before I will end this video, I would just like to say, okay, I do not advertise for this product. I'm not affiliated or associated with any stores online that sells this product. I bought this with my own money. So I hope you like this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.